Hey, I'm going to post that video of the drone crash at the end if it came out. So you might want to watch that. That's probably pretty cool. Fresh deer poops. So it looks like 3 or 4 deer have been walking along the river this morning. Fresh tracks in the snow. They're kind of going the opposite way that I wanted to go, so I'm kind of backtracking. I may follow the tracks later. Not a soul around. It's 10 degrees out. A little nippy. So, I've turned around and I've decided to try and follow those deer tracks. Tracks are everywhere. And so I'm gonna see if I can pick the trail up again up here. There's just like a million of them down in there. So I'm gonna see what happens. Well, I've picked up the trail again. They crossed the road. You can see where they've been feeding, like nipping the buds off of this down tree. See the tracks everywhere. Like they're heading into this thick stuff behind me. So I'll follow that for a while. See where that brings me. Well, I'm not following those deer. It's just so thick and there's so many trees that are just freshly blown down. It's probably dangerous. We've lost a lot of trees here in New Hampshire this winter with the big windstorm we had. Ooh. Oh yeah. Okay. So I'm going to poke around a little bit more, but I'm not going that way because that's madness. Probably shouldn't be bothering them anyway. I'm going to drink my tea and relax and listen to the silence. Snow's picking up out here. It is beautiful though. Love it. So gorgeous. Anyway, I'm gonna press on. Sort of heading back to the car. But yeah, I crashed my drone back there. I don't know if I was filming it or not. That might be cool. There's a little bit of a panic. It hit the trees coming down. But it recovered, which is cool. I have to land it and take off in my hand because there's no place to take off. But I'm just learning how to use that thing. Hopefully I learn how to use it before I destroy it. It is fun though. It's quiet too. Anyway. Oh, eat. This huge tree snapped. I can't believe it. Wow. Man, must have been snow load and high winds. Holy crap. Wow. Just snapped off. Holy mackerel. Looks like lots of rot in there, so who knows. It wasn't doing too good. It weren't doing too good. So, I'm heading back. It's been tough trying to find places. All my areas that I go to are plowed in, the entranceways, or the parking areas. There's no place to go. Luckily I got in here. And as you can see, the road isn't too good. I think that's going to be a wrap today. Fun times. Didn't really accomplish much, but I got outside, which is always good. Therapy. Thanks for watching.